Most men over 70 think declining performance is just a part of aging. But what if your morning coffee could quietly reverse that? Add just 2 common ingredients, and the results might shock you. He was 73, retired, and had quietly accepted that intimacy was behind him. Then one morning, he stirred honey and ginger into his usual cup of coffee, not for any miracle, just because his grandfather once mentioned it as an old energy tonic. Within 2 weeks, something unexpected began to happen. His body felt lighter, more responsive. A spark returned, not just in his step, but in the bedroom too. It wasn't magic. It was a forgotten science rooted in ancient ingredients. Ginger, with its powerful gingerol compound, silently got to work widening blood vessels and improving circulation. Combined with the natural caffeine in coffee, it gave his system the gentle push it needed, especially in areas that had grown sluggish. Erections came easier and stayed stronger. He didn't expect it, but the improvement was clear. All from something as simple as what was already in his kitchen. Honey, too, had a hidden secret. It's rich in boron, a trace mineral that plays a big role in testosterone regulation. Mixed into hot coffee with ginger, it became more than just a sweetener. It became fuel. It worked with the ginger to fight oxidative stress, especially in the glands that regulate male hormones. Slowly but surely, his testosterone began to support him again, not decline like he thought it always would. And then there was something deeper going on. He noticed fewer aches in his joints and less pressure in his chest. What he didn't know was that ginger and honey were working together to reduce inflammation in his arteries. That meant cleaner, smoother blood flow everywhere. It wasn't an overnight fix, but a quiet internal repair job that made him feel stronger without even trying. More surprising still was the clean energy he felt. Unlike the jittery buzz of coffee alone, the combination with ginger balanced his blood sugar, and honey gave him a sustained, steady fuel source. He stopped needing naps in the afternoon. His mind was clearer. He started finishing books again, and noticed the return of a confidence he hadn't felt in years. His hand stopped shaking when he reached out for hers. Maybe the most unexpected change wasn't physical, it was emotional. With better blood flow and balanced hormones, his mood lifted. Anxiety eased. That creeping doubt that comes with aging started to fade. His confidence grew. His wife noticed. Not just the physical part, but how he laughed more, looked her in the eyes again, and stood taller. He didn't announce what he was doing. He didn't need to. Every morning, he just brewed his coffee, stirred in fresh ginger and a spoonful of honey, and sipped quietly. After 3 weeks, the man who thought his best days were behind him realized something amazing. They might just be starting again. So if you're a man over 70 and feel like age has taken more than it should, try this. Coffee, ginger, and honey. 3 simple things you already have. 1 powerful ritual your body might be craving. Because sometimes, the key to feeling like yourself again isn't in a prescription, but in your morning cup.